Thank you, Mr. Speaker. You actually need even a minute to know if this thing is right or wrong. I don't see the sense of having the 10 minutes while each of us need to debate on this bill. We share on our grievances, how we feel about it. When you look at a lady, you can say she took 1 minute to prepare her makeup, not a whole 10 minutes to describe something. As I stand here, you can know that that lady dressed well or bad. That is 1 second. 10 minutes, what will you be describing in 10 minutes? 5 minutes are enough. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, can the majority and minority leader approach the chair? Majority and minority leader.